Okay, so once you already designed the JK flip-flop, you can see that you have to complete the table R1. Okay, so you have to complete the table for the basic JK flip-flop. Okay, this table. So you see that if the first condition is 0, 0, what happened to your LED? So you put here 0, 0, the LED will become 0. Okay, so complete the table over here. So you just put here 0. Okay, so mode of operation will be off. Mode of operation is 0, 0, no change. Okay, so what if your S1 become 1 and S2 is 0? Okay, now change your S1 to become 1. So what you can do over here is you select the poke function here. Okay, so this one will become 1. You cannot see here, there is a poke function. So using the hand, okay, on top of the screen. Okay, below then your file, there's a file function on top. So down there you can see something like hand. So you put the hand and then change the input to be 1. Okay. So once you change into 1, you can try to simulate the things and you select for the pick function. Cannot see here. So you click on the simulate, and you click on the simulation enable and you press tick enable. So you can see that the function will become 1. Okay, 1, 0 because the operation for JK for 1, 0 is 1. So you can complete the table here 1, 0, the LED is on, the operation is set. Okay, and then change back the condition to 0, 0. So you press the poke function here, change to 0, 0. Okay, so it will be no change from the previous output is set. So your LED will still on. Okay, then the third one is 0, 1. Okay, so once you change your input to be 0, 1. Okay, so you simulate. You can see that 0, 1, the function for JK is reset. Okay, you check the function in the first page. Reset, that's why your output will become 0. LED is not on. Okay, so you just complete the table over here. So 0, 0 means it will be no change. So change this thing to 0 again. Okay, so it will be same with the previous output which is off. And then the last one is 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 1. You change the input here to be 1, 1. So you can see what happened. From the basic JK table, the operation for 1, 1 input is toggle. Okay, means that your LED is blinking 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so that is why they was called as a toggle. Okay, so complete all these things and then measure the waveform. Okay, so if you see from the instruction here, okay, so you set all the function. Okay, so you see from the observation here, just keep the S1 and S2 switch in the open state. Okay, the last state that we do is 1, 1. So increase the clock frequency to 1 kHz. Okay, so record the waveform of the channel 2 relative to the clock. Okay, so you see what you observe the change of the waveform. So from here, we set our function to be 1, 1. Okay, this one I will set first. Okay, so 1 and our frequency is 1 kilohertz. Okay, so from there you can see the function will be toggle, and if you want to see the timing diagram, you can click on the chronogram over here. Okay, so we will insert our input J and K, and then we will see our output from the LED. Okay, so your frequency is 1 kilohertz. So you can start to select your chronogram. So it will be like this. Okay, so from here you can try to see what is the output of the function.